Ground shake.
Big boy!
What up? We are going to be opening 2 packs today. Wait.
This is mine!
Where's mine then?
Jesus! Oh, the picture of the left face coming to you.
Hello guys, we're going to be opening packs today. So my friend will be opening it first.
No.
Okay, fine, I will.
I'm the YouTuber. He's not the YouTuber. That you showing is not the YouTuber. The guy who's videotaping, which is
I'm going to go opening the pack.
Do ya?
Okay, so we got a Rata, Frogadier, Electabuzz, Trobush, Floss, Trotway, Tro's Reverse, Flareon, and the rest I don't really know.
Hey, you didn't show everything! Let me show you the quick thing again. So you got
Rattle, whatever.
Silky,
I am going to be opening
Electabuzz,
I'm going to be opening the second pack.
Aerospeed,
See if this is any good.
Drowsy, Ferrothumb, show that to you. Cricketoo,
Okay, let me just...
Standard,
Okay.
and Puzzle-O-Time.
Okay, so we do is put that down. Put it aside. Let's see. Buzz. What the buzz? Staryu.
You're going too fast.
Normal. Fighting. Fairy Belt. Minnow. Special Water Energy. Greninja Reverse. And a Greninja.
What?
This is a Greninja. It's my friend's turn. Let's see how good the luck is.
So let's do energy. Wait, no! I got it. Okay, so
I'm gonna go open the pack.
hey, you can't, don't. Okay, now let me show you my phone. No, I'll do it.
No, you're going to...
Okay. No,
I know what to do.
No. Sorry, it's his fault. The good thing is videotaping. It's his fault who did this. So basically, he's the worst paper. I'm out of here. You can tape. He's gonna tape. I show these cards. Oh my God. I got a break! No, I didn't.
Wait, how do you make this less bigger?
No! See, you don't know how to do this. So we basically got a break for it. So let me open this. I'm gonna move out of this room right now to make it bigger. Tell me what you got. So that's the inside. Oh my God! Okay, so we got a Sizer Spirit Lake, Drowsy, a Cricketot,
I'm just kidding.
a Skrill, a Staryu, a Scorpy, a Purgly, I don't even know what this Pokemon is, a Slowbro, a Reverse Valley, which is cool, I like this one card, and a stupid Golduck. Has to be a Golduck. Okay, now let me see this. The final card. Okay, now let's... We open this. So we've got a Caesar, and we're gonna get a Mega Sizer. Okay, because this will be my first Mega Ice ever.
What? What does it do?
This is the code. This is the code.
And what did I don't see any X, dude.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
That is not how you do it. You're doing it the wrong way.
I don't care. I don't care at all. Okay, so we've got a Shelber, Drowsy, Misty's Determination, Professor Sycamore, Gyarados, Spirit Lake, Spirit Sea, Crybaby Twinkle, Clefairy, and a Great Ninja! Haha.
And let's see what's up in there. Oh my gosh, it's not even an EX. What is it? What is it?
History!
50. So yeah, and click in the link below and subscribe and tell us who did better. So yeah, see you. Peace out. I'm gonna go punch this guy. Until he's dead. See ya.
Hey, I only took your color.